Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm doing the 10-day JJ Smith smoothie cleanse. I've done it twice already. I've lost a total of 13 pounds. So right now I'm gonna do it again and hopefully I'll lose some more weight. I've already got my spinach, my water in my blender. I'm about to blend that up. For today we add grapes. We're gonna add some strawberries, some mangoes, and get down to business. So let me go ahead and start blending it up. And you want to make sure that you blend this to a nice juicy consistency. So I'm going to let it really blend and really get good. And now that it looks like this, it's nice and juicy. I'm not gonna drink it right now because I know it's gonna be nasty. But you know, if you want to, you can blend it a little longer. I normally just do it like this, and then I add my ingredients. So she said to do a handful of grapes. So let me just set you up here, guys, so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So she said to add a handful of grapes. So I'm going to take my grapes out. I'm going to rinse them off. And I'm going to just drop them in my blender. And if you see that you have some little excess greens that didn't get blended in, just toss them in there and let them blend again when you blend the rest of it. I tend to have that effect. I don't know why it tends to do that, but don't mind splashing. And me, I'm a real big fan of grapes, so I tend to add more grapes than the average person would add. I don't know. I'm a fan of grapes. So it's gonna be all my grapes I'm gonna add there. Then she said to add 1 cup of mango chunks. And it's okay if you go over like 1.5 or 1 1/3. Like, it's okay because personally you're making it for yourself. To your liking. As you can see, it did 2 cups, but when it blends down, it's not even going to be really that much. Then she said to do 1 cup of strawberries. And, you know, like I said again, if you go over, you go over. Oh well. It's your preference, your liking, however you want to eat it. I mean, it's your body, it's what you want to do. Pretty much so. And then I have 1 apple that I'm going to cut up real quick for you guys. I'm going to add my sugar. And like I said, the sugar, she says to add 1 pack. But I personally add 3. because I'm not a spinach fan. Like, I really don't like spinach like that. I don't like to cook it. I don't like to eat it. So, preferably, I add 3 to 5 packs of the Splendor. Well, it's not technically called Splendor. It's called Trivia, or whatever sweetener that you get at the store. So, go ahead and let me quarter this apple. So, and if you guys are wondering, yes, my counter is clean. I made sure that before I even got over here. And it's different ways that you can quarter your apple. I personally just do it like this because I don't have the time with 2 children to be trying to struggle and get a cutting board out and do all of that. This is my preference. I have collagen. I don't like pulling my collagen in my water because it doesn't really dissolve as well. So I normally just add the collagen to my smoothie, and it really won't tell that it's in there. And we go from there. She also says to add some flaxseed. If you want to add it, you can. I don't see any real reason for the flaxseed. Like, I don't see what it's supposed to be doing for your body. Like, I don't tell the difference between having flaxseed and me not. Also, you can put protein powder in it if you want to. I have a hit and miss about the protein powder. Being that when I put the protein powder in my smoothies don't come out as green as they should. They come out darker because of my protein powder. So this time around, I'm going to try it without the protein powder and see how it works. It might make me lose weight even better without the protein powder. But like I said, it's up to you to use the flaxseed. It's up to you to use the protein powder, and it's definitely up to you to use collagen. But like I said, just make sure that you follow the ingredients that she says. And my suggestion is, if you come to a day and you see that you don't have an ingredient that she says, use what you have in your freezer. If it's after day 6 and you're like, oh my God, I don't have this type of frozen fruit, and you don't have the time to run to the store before work or wherever you're going, use what's that you have in your freezer. If you have fresh fruit, use fresh fruit. You're going to get the same results, pretty much, that you're going to get for using what she has. So like I said, right now I'm going to blend it back up, and then we're going to drink it. My preference is I normally drink water before I drink my smoothies, and I'm good to go. So let's you're all done, guys. If you want to, like, it's all up to your preference also on your blending, because everybody has a different blender. If you want to blend it longer than I blend it, that's up to you. If you want to blend it less, that's up to you. I mean, it's up to you and your preference, because everybody is different on how they want to have their smoothies. Some people want to have their smoothies thick. Some people want to have them watery. Some people want to have them, you know, this way, that way. Like, it all depends on your liking for these smoothies. But as long as you keep your ingredients consistent to what she's saying, you're going to lose the weight. You're going to feel better. So, I'm going to drink my water, and then I'm going to drink my smoothie, which you'll get at least 3 of the three of these, and once you fill it up to here, your smoothie will last, and it'll go up to here, and 3 bottles of this. And you're supposed to drink this breakfast, lunch, dinner. Me personally, I do breakfast, lunch, and dinner with these, and I have me a light dinner because I know, me personally, after 7 o'clock, and I've had my smoothie, I'm going to be hungry in about an hour or two. And even though I'm eating my snacks throughout the day, which are my peanuts, my apples, my celery, my carrots, eating with peanut butter, all of that, I'm still hungry because I'm moving around all day with my kids. So with me moving around all day, I'm like, shoot, what am I going to eat for dinner? I go grab me a light salad, which is just lettuce and some vinaigrette, or just the salad by itself. Or I have me a piece of tilapia or a piece of salmon, and that's it. I don't overdo my dinner because I had 3 of these, which have had all my nutrients that I needed, which are water and fruit and vegetables and greens. So, like I said, if you want more information, like, comment, subscribe, and let's be all healthy. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I make day 2.